Okay, hey, ladies and gentlemen. I know that the owner of this group has been so helpful to all of us and so grateful to us. So I wanted to make this video because I know she has to be super bit busy. However, if you already bought the kit, you can definitely go to wherever your search is on your computer, laptop, or phone, wherever you got. Go there to search the app, and all you do is type in the six step challenge, and it should just come up. You should be able to do just that. So simple, and you got it coming up on your computer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this down because it is, I want to be fair to everyone. You should be able to take it down. You should be able to go ahead and upload that and get it all ready. But all you have to do is just go to your search. My search is right here. I don't know what kind of computer you have. Um, Whatever it is, wherever your search is, Windows 8, whatever, find your search and type in what you need to type in or speak it. However you do it, you just type in the six steps. Mine, automatically pop up. Just type it in down here. It already knows. Push tab, and it's gonna bring it up, and you got it. And if you want to use it in Chrome, take it, copy from the browser, and you just put it in Chrome. Real simple. Cut half of this page off. A little bit. So hopefully this is helpful to you, and I look forward to the what is it, Bombard update tomorrow. Thanks guys. Have a good one.